had over the last couple of months, but this is innovation and technology coming together for an eco-fire product that is first to market. There's nothing like this on the planet today. The product puts out all fires, all classes of fires. It's an eco-friendly product. There are no chemicals within this particular product. It's made from 100% eco-friendly ingredients. It's no chemicals, no PFAS, and it puts out...
We have are not regularly serviced. This is an issue sometimes caused because of the cumbersome nature of servicing fire extinguishers and the cost implication. Sometimes due to negligence of those we give the authority to safeguard our lives in our offices and organizations. That is why this gathering today, for the purpose of introducing this new innovation, gives me great pleasure. This new improved extinguisher boasts of an impressive array of features, including a long storage life, effectiveness against all classes of fires, and unparalleled firefighting capabilities. This means that our homes, workplaces, and communities will be better protected from the devastating effects of fires. I would like to commend the researchers, the scientists, and industry experts who have worked tirelessly to develop this technology. Your dedication to improving fire safety standards is truly commendable. With this new fire extinguisher, we are not only enhancing fire safety but also saving lives and properties. I urge all relevant stakeholders to adopt and utilize this new technology to ensure the future of our families and workers are safe. Thank you all, and God bless.
I tested it. It was okay. The greatest part of it is that it doesn't pose any health hazard. It is environmental friendly. Number two, it works on many classes of fire, A, B, C, D. We know fires that are involved in each class of fires. So it is very, very effective on each classes of fire.
When we start to give room for counterfeiting, then it defeats the whole purpose. The number one purpose is to save life and property. So the issue of counterfeiting, it's a straight one that we're going to fight head on right from the beginning. We're not producing from here now. It is being produced by the manufacturer in England, and as it is, that is how we're bringing it in to save lives and property here. So we're going to regulate that with all intent. I will make sure there's no room for counterfeiting. So you can be rest assured about that. Thank you.
Looking forward to it. You understand? So it's good that we produce it locally. Thank you so much.
We thank you for making it to this place at this time. I also want to appreciate the chairman of the Safety Commission of the National Assembly, Dr. Komi. Thank you for coming. And the FCT Fire Controller, we appreciate you as well for your passion in making sure that fire is no more a challenge to us in this country. And Aaron, we appreciate you for coming as well. As a manufacturer, we thank you for believing in us, for accepting us, and also coming in at this time we should need it. As a safety practitioner, we take this as intervention. It's not just about money making, but we are so concerned about the rates of fire incidents in this our country, ranging from market fire, building fire, and so on. And it's so rampant. And that was what informed our decision to go out to search for the best, to bring in a destructive, innovative product. We can see the conventional one, the way it's been falling on hands, disappointing us, and that's why we're so passionate about this particular one. And we have brought this to actually take away the old existing one that does not really work out for us. We've seen situations whereby when you fight a fire, you end up causing another problems. You know, sometimes after arresting the fire, you start to fight flooding. So with this innovative product, that is a thing of the past. So we are very happy that we'll have a very good solution to our fire fighting problem. Now, the issue of NAFDAC is very important to us. Thank you, Madam, for raising that. At the end of this, we're going to liaise with the NAFDAC. Whatever that is meant to be done, we're going to do that. And we can assure you that everything is okay as far as this is concerned, because it is internationally tested and accepted. And the authority in charge of fire here, we have consulted them, not from now. We've been on it for some time, and they've done their series of certification before they can allow this.
You may have addressed this, but I'd like to ask again, what product is it you have that can safeguard fire on the farm? You know, I remember vividly, as of 5 years ago, 2 major problems we had in the south, and from the south, you can tell from the name, is either flooding on the farm or fire, especially when you're cultivating dry season farming. So, and I would like for you to try as much as you can. I was actually looking forward to coming down here earlier than now to speak as much as you can with Nigerian accent. Because the moment I walked in and I hear you answering questions, I just laughed to myself. I said, even myself that I've lived in the abroad before, half of what you're saying may go missing. So please, or I can interpret if that works. I'd like for you to just shed more light on what you have to prevent fire outbreak on our farmland, in our processing plants and packaging plants. Because that is what actually, that is why you see all of these women that are not in uniform. That is why we are here this morning. Thank you.
For FireXO to bring the product commercially to the world. And I'm global director basically for the company. So yeah, we're super excited to be talking to you guys and to everybody around the world. Just can't get it out there fast enough.
I am the regional president of the Occupational Safety and Health, and we're here to intervene as far as firefighting is concerned in Nigeria. We are so particular about the rate at which fire reduces so many things in Nigeria, ranging from market fire, houses. It's so rampant, and we're particular about that, and that's why we brought this as a way of intervention. You know, helping the Federal Republic of Nigeria, helping the President as part of this initiative to also do our own best to curb these fire incidences in Nigeria. And that's why we've gone out to bring in experts that are into the manufacturing of firefighting products. And this is a very innovative one. And the innovation is a disruptive one. Right?
Okay, now we have many classes of fire, class A, B, C, D, and class F. Which class A, what can extinguish it is different from what can extinguish class B. Most times the fire extinguishers can extinguish any other fire, but it's more effective in one particular class. But that is not the case of this FireXO. All fires can be extinguished, all classes of fire can be extinguished with the same FireXO. So we want to put it to practice, but this is representing class A fire, which is solid organic material. Solid organic material in the sense that this is made from fabric, it's solid. This is consists of wood, it's also solid. So we want to really put it, although because of rain it has soaked, but we just pray that with the PMS we applied on it, we should be able to blaze very well. So right now we are going to put fire. See, this is class A. No, it will go down.
The fire now.
One person should do it. Yeah, the next person. I think one person.
Yes, the fire is on now, and we are going to experiment. Good. It knocked it off once.